Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2021 Toyota RAV4 and I'm going to show you how to turn off and also how to change the settings on the annoying lane trace assist and sway warning, which you can see the symbols for on the dash. So you've got the symbol there and the two lines in the middle of the dash as well. Now these were safety features introduced for the Euro NCAP rating of the car, and they can be easily turned on and off. And like I say, we can actually change the settings, which I'll show you in a second. So just to turn it on and off, we're going to press that button there. So notice, press it once and it's actually turned the system off. So we've lost the symbol and the lines from the middle of the dash. But when you actually turn it on, you'll notice that it comes up saying what is active. So at this point, we've got the LTA turned on and the steering assist was active. Now to change that, we're going to use this keypad on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and we're going to scroll across to the right to the settings cog, and you'll notice the top option is LTA, which is a lane trace assistant. So you can't just press OK, you actually have to hold it in, and that takes you to another menu. So on that menu we can turn on or off the lane centering. The steering assist can be turned on or off, and this is where it actually takes control of the steering wheel when you get close to a line, so we can actually turn that on or off. And then we can actually change the sensitivity of that as well. And then moving down, we've got the sway warning that we can turn on or off as well. And then if you go down again, then there's actually the sway sensitivity, and that's just for the audible tone. So once we've set this up, so if I turn the steering assistant, say, off, and then I come out of this menu and go back to my normal viewpoint there, and then I turn the lane assist off, and then when I turn it back on, it'll actually say that the LTA is on, but the steering assistant is inactive. And the car actually remembers these settings for each time you drive it. So there you go, that's how to turn on and off and change the settings for the annoying lane trace assistant. If you found that video helpful, please give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.